Oh boy, you're going to love this, especially if you're a taxpayer or someone struggling with the everyday cost of living pressures. Because it's been announced today that Labor have decided they are definitely going to fund the PNG government $600 million to start their own NRL team. But to really rub salt into the wound of Aussies who head off to work every day and pay their taxes that will ultimately fund this Pacific NRL team, the government is looking at a request to grant the NRL players who go there tax-free status as well. Unreal, isn't it? Now, apparently that's to compensate them for the logistics and safety reasons of playing over in PNG. Well, you're going to have to pardon my lack of enthusiasm for this big announcement, because I find it remarkable that in a time when we're trying to get medical specialists and doctors to work in hospitals and regional settings outside of our cities, there has never been any talk of tax-free incentives for these much-needed professions. And instead, in a place like Rockhampton, the state government are having to spend in excess of $30 million a year, that's in flights and other types of travel, for patients who can't see a specialist here in CQ, who are then forced to travel down to Brisbane. Yeah, that's right, $30 million. We don't have an ear, nose and throat specialist in Rock any longer. They've both retired. And you'd think that the chief executive of the Central Queensland Hospital and Health Service, who's Lisa Blackler, would have had the foresight to get a replacement before both of these people retired. But instead, we're told we can expect one to arrive in the near future, whenever that might be. And nor do we have a paediatrician or a cardiac specialist who can do stents. If you're lucky, this current government might fly one in from time to time, but we no longer have these specialists here in Central Queensland. It's okay though, because we've got an 18th NRL team from PNG coming at a cost of $600 million to taxpayers. It's frustrating, I know, but I am also trying to do something about it by at least bringing it to your attention. If you want some common sense injected back into our parliament, I'm James Ashby, the One Nation candidate for the seat of Keppel. Please give me your vote come October 26.
One nation, we got the guts to say what you're thinking.